Hi friends, today we're taking a look at the Telephoto lens kit. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you're getting and test it out. And you got your manual, a cleaning cloth. So the actual lens comes in a nice carrying bag to protect it. So that's definitely very smart. Lens cover, which you just put your finger in here and you kind of squeeze it and pull it out. I think for bigger fingers, they definitely should have made the grooves a little deeper, but we were able to manage. Pop off the cap then over here. You have your little tripod right in here. You just kind of pull it out, tighten it then when you got the perfect position. You got your brackets and everything in here. You'll mount it on like this, and then this piece just threads in. Now you're gonna want to adjust your legs so it doesn't topple over like this. So we're gonna loosen this up, give it a better balance like that. And your phone is gonna go in here. Take this piece here and thread that right on your tripod. Take this piece here and thread this on the mount. Take your O-ring, and that's going to slide on over in here. If you don't want to have it set up this way, you can take this off and you can connect this to your O-ring, because there's multiple ways that you guys can set this up, and just do it based off of what's going to work for you. That's what I find the best when it comes to these kind of things. And now you'll just want to customize it. So you want to play with it and all that fun stuff.